Today we're drawing a cute summer monkey with a camera. I'm QJO. Let's draw. Let's start with the first eye. Draw a tall oval shape, nice and round. Add a small circle near the top. Now color in the eye, but don't fill the little highlight. That tiny sparkle does all the cute work. Around the eye, draw a soft curved line. Now draw the other eye. Make another dark oval and keep a small white highlight near the top. Color in the eye. Add a short curved line around this eye too. Now let's add the nose. Start with the two tiny nostrils first, placing one small mark, then the other one right beside it. Then draw a soft curved line around them to connect the shape and finish the little nose. Start with a soft smile curve right under the nose. From one end of that smile, curve down and around. Inside the mouth, add one more curved line for the little tongue. Now let's add the eyebrows. Draw one short curved line above the first eye. Then move across and draw the other eyebrow above the other eye with a similar soft curve. Now let's draw the face shape. Start on the left side of the face, just beside the first eye, and curve the line upward. Continue over the top of the face, dip gently in the middle, and bring the curve across above the other eye. Now go back to the lower left side, puff the cheek out, sweep the line across the bottom of the face, and connect it up on the other side. Now let's build the top of the head. Start from the left side of the face and draw a long curve going up and around. As you reach the top middle, break the line into a few small pointed bumps to make the little hair tuft. Then continue the curve across the top and bring it down along the right side of the head. Go back to the left lower side and add the matching little fur detail there too. Now from the lower left side, sweep a gentle curved line under the face and carry it across toward the other side to finish the head shape. Add the inner curves here too, keeping them simple and smooth so both ears match nicely. Now let's add the ears. Start with the first ear on one side of the head and draw a big rounded curve going out and back in. Inside that ear, add one smaller curved line. Then one more little curve to give it a soft inner ear shape. Then move across and draw the other ear with the same big rounded shape. Add the inner curves here too, keeping them simple and smooth so both ears match nicely. Now let's put on the hat. Start with the top edge of the brim, drawing a long, wide curve from the upper left side, sweeping across above the hair, and ending near the upper right side. Go back to the left end and draw a second long curve just underneath it. Follow that same sweep across to the right so the brim looks thick and rounded. Let the right end curve down a little as it finishes, so the brim feels soft and floppy. Now on top of the brim, draw the crown of the hat. Bring that arch back down on the right side and connect it neatly to the brim. Now let's draw the camera. Start just under the head and make a tiny little button shape on the upper left side. From that small shape, draw the top edge of the camera across to the right. Then, bring the line straight down to start the right side. Continue across the bottom, then bring the line back up on the left so you get a rounded camera body. Keep the corners soft and simple. Inside the camera, draw a big circle near the lower middle for the lens. Add another circle inside that one. Then one more smaller circle to build the lens rings. In the center, add the tiny lens details with a little curved shape and 2 small circles. Now go back to the top of the camera and add the little front details. A short line near the top and a small rounded rectangle on the upper right. Great job! That cute little camera is ready for the adventure. Now let's add the hand holding the camera. Draw a few rounded finger bumps along the left side of the camera. Then pull a smooth, rounded line around them to complete the hand. Under the hand in the camera, add one gentle curved line to finish that lower edge. Nice and easy. And now the camera has a cute little grip. Now let's add the collar. Start under the head and draw a short line down toward the camera. From the right side, draw a slanted line down. Then, bring it back up to make a small pointed collar flap. Keep the collar simple, just enough to show the little explorer shirt. Now let's add the bag strap. Start under the collar and pull a long, smooth line down across the body. Draw the second line right beside it so the strap looks nice and wide. At the lower end of the strap, draw the flap of the bag with a soft, rounded shape. Under that flap, draw the body of the bag. Keep it boxy, but rounded at the corners. Add the side of the bag with a short curved edge so it feels a little thicker. On the front, draw the little buckle. Make a small, rounded shape near the lower middle of the flap. Finish with a few simple details on the bag, like the front seam and the little side strap. Nice work! That tiny travel bag looks ready to go anywhere. Now let's draw the shirt. Start near the bag, pull a short line across. Next, from the strap, draw a line going down. Then, sweep it across to the right. From there, bring the line up to shape the side of the shirt. Add 2 little buttons down the front to give the shirt some cute detail. Now finish with the sleeve on the right side. Draw it sticking out. Then let it curve down softly. Nice work! Now let's draw the waving arm. Start at the sleeve and pull the top line of the arm out to the side. Go back to the sleeve and draw the lower line of the arm. At the end of the top arm line, turn it into the thumb with one soft rounded bump. Then add the other fingers with a few more rounded bumps to make a cute waving hand. Nice work. That little wave makes our monkey look extra friendly. Now let's draw the shorts. Start under the shirt and sketch the first shorts leg, keeping the shape short and simple. Next, move across and draw the other shorts leg. In the center, add a small line between the 2 legs to separate the shorts. Then add a few simple shorts details to finish it off. Now add the cuffs at the bottom. Draw one curved band across the first leg, then another one across the other leg. Now let's draw the legs. Start under the shorts and pull 2 short lines down to make the first leg. At the bottom, draw the foot with a soft, rounded shape. Then add a few curved lines for the little toes. Now draw the other leg the same way. Pull 2 short lines down from the other short's leg. Finish with the other foot using another rounded shape and a few simple toe lines. Now let's add the tail for our little monkey. Start behind the bag and draw a long, smooth curve sweeping out to the side. And just like that, our happy little monkey is all finished. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!